Today I'm going to be reviewing Popmake's solar security camera. It actually goes this way. You can see there's the solar top. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is Wi-Fi, but only 2.4 gigahertz. This will not do 5G. It's a 2K camera. It looks really good. I want to show you this. It does come with all the mounting stuff to be able to get this on your fence or garage. Just put it on like that and mount it however you want. I'm going to show you this behind me, and we're going to look at my phone because it does come with an app. And it does come with 3 free days of cloud storage. It uses AI to detect people. Now, for me, I am just going to use it as a camera to keep on my back porch to just see what's going on. So the app is really easy. There's a QR code on the box. Just scan that in, join. Now, I've read people have had issues getting the 3 free days. I don't know. I did not. I literally just went to the website. I said no to everything. At the very end, it's like, you can get 3 days free for 2 years. It looks really good. I could see the stars. I could even see a plane going across the sky. This is what it looks like in the camera. It's just looking behind me at the box back there. You can see right there, it does look really good. That's of course not maybe a normal situation. If you look back behind me, you're going to see it turns on a light. There we go. It turns on a light. It also has an audible alarm. These are all the things it's been taking. I didn't even set it up to do anything, but anytime it recognized motion, it had that up there. You got lots of capability to communicate, two-way, light, alarm, and for the price, I don't think you can beat it. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.